How to fix Chipotle app not working. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your Chipotle app is not working, then the first reason might be you're using an older version of Chipotle. To fix the issue, you want to update Chipotle to the latest version. So head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Chipotle and then update Chipotle to the latest version. If it is still not working even after updating the app, you want to head over to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, select Chipotle, then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data and delete all of Chipotle's data. If it is still not fixed, then what you want to do next is simply uninstall the Chipotle application and then reinstall it again. After reinstalling the application, open Chipotle, and now as you can see, Chipotle app is now working. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.